Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Beads and Bead Assortments is probably one of the most versatile and fun products to have in your craft collection. In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best beads that are sure to elevate your projects to the next level. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best beads we choose for you. Number 5. Get everything you need for jewelry making in one box. From colorful clay beads to charms kit and elastic strings, this kit has it all to create beautiful bracelets and jewelry. Express your creativity with 24 bright colors of polymer clay beads. Mix and match to make unique bracelets and accessories with ease. Let your imagination run wild. Made of non-toxic polymer clay, these beads are lightweight, durable, and waterproof. Perfect for wearing at the beach or pool. Create stylish jewelry, worry-free. Ideal for DIY jewelry projects, these beads are perfect for making bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. A thoughtful gift for your loved ones on any special occasion. Surprise your girls with this trendy friendship bracelets kit. Not only does it enhance their crafting skills, but it also promotes sharing and self-expression. A perfect gift for crafting parties. We ensure the quality of our beads so you can craft without worries. If you're not satisfied, we offer replacements or refunds. Craft with confidence and enjoy the creative process. What we like. If you are a jewelry making lover and need everything included, the Gion Leon 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is perfect for you. With a wide variety of flat polymer clay beads in 24 bright colors and a kit of 550 pieces charms, you can easily create vivid bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Made of high-quality polymer clay, these beads are non-toxic, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. This kit is an ideal gift for girls ages 6-12 and is suitable for birthdays, Valentine's Day, and other special occasions. What people say.
The Gion Leon 6000 PCS clay beads for bracelet making is a comprehensive and vibrant kit that's perfect for teen girls interested in jewelry crafting. With 24 colors of flat preppy beads, this set offers a wide range of options for creating unique and personalized friendship bracelets. The polymer clay Haishi beads are not only colorful but also versatile, allowing for endless creative possibilities. My daughter kept making bracelets over and over again the day she got it. It has so many beads to choose from, and so many pretty colors. It is fun to see all the bracelets she has made. The only thing I would say, it's not to shake it up too much or else the beads will get mixed up.
Number 4. Looking for a variety of shapes and colors. Made in the USA, these beads are perfect for group activity. Get creative with this assortment of beads. They are perfect for making unique jewelry and craft. Support American craftsmanship with these high-quality plastic craft beads. They are ideal for all your crafting needs. Whether you're crafting with friends or family, these beads are sure to bring everyone together for a fun and creative time. What we like. For a large assortment of craft beads, look no further than the Beadery Bonanza. With 5 pounds of plastic beads in assorted shapes and colors, this product is perfect for group activities. Made in the USA, these beads ensure quality and durability. Whether you're creating jewelry or other craft projects, the Beadery Bonanza provides endless possibilities for creativity and fun. What people say.
Most beads are useful. If there's a small bead inside of another bead, you can literally poke them right out. I've been very happy with the number of beads and variety of colors and shapes. 5 pounds of beads is a lot of beads. Amazing value. Lots of variety with tons of cool shapes and sizes. Highly recommend.
Number 3. These beads are well made with vibrant color and smooth surface, perfect for kids' craft projects. Use them for jewelry beading, ornaments, keychains, and hair beading. The round plastic beads have a center hole and come in 9 mm diameter with 1,000 beads. The pony beads have the most common barrel shape and are made of plastic. They are 6 or 9 mm in diameter with a hole of about 4 mm. These beads are sturdy, light, and smooth, perfect for hair, bracelet, and other jewelry. You'll hardly feel like you're wearing anything. Enjoy these pony beads with peace of mind, as they are suitable for kids age 3 and above. And if you're not completely satisfied, Eppingwin offers a full refund with friendly customer service. What we like. If you're looking for classic color pony beads for versatile craft projects, the 1,000 plus pieces pony beads is the perfect choice. With 1,000 well-made beads in vibrant colors, these pony beads are ideal for jewelry making, ornaments, keychains, and hair braiding. They are lightweight, durable, and comfortable to wear. Suitable for kids age 3 and above, these beads guarantee satisfaction and come with friendly customer service. What people say.
The variety of beads were awesome. And they are durable. I made very nice sun catchers and dots with these. I got these for the Eras tour and they made so many bracelets. The quality and appearance is worth the cost.
Number 2. These beads are lightweight and sturdy, perfect for all your crafting needs. With a total of 24 colors, including primary colors, the possibilities for your beading projects are endless. From bracelets to earrings, these beads are perfect for a variety of craft projects. Children can learn to sort colors and count while creating beautiful jewelry and sculptures. Great for group activities and events, these beads are perfect for making unique gifts and jewelry. What we like: if you're into DIY beading projects, the Simatufai 1200 PC's pony beads is a must-have. These barrel-shaped beads come in 24 assorted colors, offering endless possibilities for your beading projects. Made of lightweight and sturdy plastic, these beads are perfect for hair braiding, necklaces, earrings, and keychains. They are widely used in classrooms, homes, camps, and community centers for educational and creative purposes. What people say:
Such a great selection in colors. There are many shades to each color. Nice beads. No pointy parts like on some other beads. Very smooth. I have made dozens of bracelets, necklaces, and ankle bracelets. They are perfect. Great variety of colors. Bead packaging came slightly open, so there were beads spilt in the package when I opened it, but overall the product was exactly as expected.
Number 1. With 48 colors and 50 beads per color, there are 5 styles to choose from. Each color is unique, perfect for all your DIY projects. Made of high-quality acrylic, these pony beads are durable, smooth, and shiny. They won't fade easily. The pony beads and letter beads come in different sizes and hole diameters, perfect for making jewelry and crafts. Not just for necklaces and bracelets, these beads can also be used to create cute cartoons or animal images. Add letter beads for a unique touch. Supervise children while using the pony beads to prevent accidents. Contact our 24-hour customer service team for any questions or concerns. What we like? For a rich variety of colors and high-quality beads, the Quefe 3960 PC's pony beads is the ultimate choice. With 2,400 rainbow beads in 48 colors, including pure color, pearl color, transparent color, flash color, and AB color, you can create DIY projects of various styles. Made of high-quality acrylic, these beads are smooth, shiny, and durable. The set also includes letter beads for personalized designs. Use these beads to make beautiful necklaces, bracelets, cartoons, or animal images. Please supervise children while using the pony beads and reach out to our 24-hour customer service team for any inquiries or assistance. What people say:
I love the colors of the letters. The round ones are super cute and the variety is awesome. There are enough beads in each option for all the kids to get what they wanted and still have a ton of beads left over. It's very nicely packaged too. I got these a couple hours ago and already made 11 bracelets. I'm making these for Era's tour and they have a good variety of colors and the string is good quality and easy to tie.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.